Your patent-pending, no-kill bird deterrent product has taken flight. Companies and communities impacted by birds reap the results of the BDT effigies. Towers, which were once inundated with birds, are now free of the nightly roosting. The environmental impacts to employees and the community have diminished. Municipalities and businesses have successfully realized positive results and return on their investment of the BDT Vulture. Bird deterrent technologies has effectively replicated nature and provided territorial redirection for birds so they can reside in their natural habitats, thus eliminating the need for a costly, temporary depredation permit. Stay tuned for another bird to take flight.